Alright guys, let's do a Dana 44 front axle. This is from a early model Bronco. I'm going to try to do this one-handed for the most part, but I'll probably have to cut in and out. So you got to take your Allen bolts out like that. See, magic. And it's got a C-clip in this ring. Well, usually it does. C-clips that hold on the axle, or spring clip, whatever you want to call them. Take that bolt out. Give me a second, let me disassemble this. Alright, what I did here is I took this little curved pick and worked it underneath it. Sorry guys. Work it the rest of the way out. It's got this one right here, which you can use there's a spring pliers that they make for this. But I'm just doing it with what tools I have laying here with me, showing that you don't have to have any special tools to really do much. You will once you get inside here, but you could probably rent that, or borrow it from a buddy or something like that. Give me 1 second and I'll get this removed, this hub removed. And again, we're replacing all this with a disc brake setup, so I'm not too worried about bending something. All this hub is going to get replaced. Just work it out. What you probably could do is put this back on there and help it out. Let's see if it works. But all I'm going to do is try to work it out here. Of course, I need 2 hands to do it, so let me get this all the way out. And of course, this side's been sitting open, so it's been pretty rusty. It was a little pain to get off there, having to grab it with some pliers to yank it out. Now, see, there is a specialty nut in there. That's what this tool's for. Now, you probably rent this. We own this. Broke it loose, comes out. There's another washer back here. I'm sure it's probably got a technical term. This washer comes out. And there's another nut behind it. That same one, same style. Broke it loose. Comes out. Then that's the bearing, and it's ready to, the drum is ready to come off. hands. Hang on. And that how it comes off. Yeah, and you can see it's been sitting a while. Then you can do your brake job, replace your brakes, whatever you're going to do. If you're going to put disc brakes on this, all this gets removed. Your bolts get removed here. This hub comes off, and you can service your axle if you need to service it. Well, that's a quick how-to real quick, and hopefully helped you guys out if you need to do this job and don't have to pay somebody to do this. Save yourself some money. Have a great day.